In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out from Hotmail, giving you all the login and logout guidance you need for 2025. Whether you're new to Hotmail or just need a refresher on managing your account sessions, these steps will guide you smoothly and effortlessly. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Outlook login page. You can find it on Microsoft's official website under the Microsoft 365 section. Once there, locate the Sign In button on the home page. Clicking this button will take you to the login screen where you can enter your Hotmail email address and password. Make sure your credentials are accurate so you can access your account without issues. After logging in successfully, you'll be on the Outlook homepage. This is where you manage your emails as well as other services like calendar and contacts. On this page, look for the profile icon, usually located at the top right corner. Clicking on this icon will reveal several account options. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see the Sign Out option. Clicking this will log you out of your Hotmail account. Signing out is especially important when using a public or shared computer to protect your account from unauthorized access. After clicking Sign Out, you should see a confirmation indicating that you've successfully logged out. Regularly signing out from your account helps safeguard your personal information and maintain privacy, particularly on shared devices. Keeping your login details secure and developing the habit of logging out are fundamental steps for digital safety. If you encounter any issues along the way, check your internet connection and browser settings, as these can sometimes affect the login or logout process. By following these steps, you ensure your account stays secure and your online experience remains smooth. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials, and stay safe online. Happy outlooking.